guys, I'm sending greetings to you from Thailand, from Phuket. This day is our first day in Phuket. Later on in 1 week we will travel to Koh Phi Phi, to beautiful island, and from there we will go to Ao Nang, Krabi. From there we will go to Koh Samui, Koh Phangan and Koh Tao. So if you want to meet, if you have some good places what we should visit, just comment below, or you can also write us a private message on Instagram. Right now we are on Kata beach, and I have to say I'm not so impressed from this beach, because this beach is so touristic. It's really like overcrowded. Tomorrow we have in plan to visit Big Buddha temple or Big Buddha statue, and I hope I can fly the drone here because it will be very nice shots. We want to wake up very early and get there before sunrise, so it will be very nice and epic shots. So guys, we are here in Big Buddha statue in Phuket, and we catch the sunrise. I got some nice drone shots with DJI Mavic, so I will put it inside this video so you can enjoy it and enjoy this beautiful view. It's so beautiful, I will show you. Just wait a minute. Look at this. The way to our new hotel in Phuket Old Town. We are going from Kata beach by Sangjo or something like this. It's like Thai bus or something like this, but it's very cheap. It costs just 40 baht to get like, I don't know, 40 kilometers or something like this. So it's looking like this. Right now we are in Phuket Old Town, and I have to say this is the nicest town I ever seen in Thailand. It's cleaner than most of the towns, and also I think the buildings are very nice. As you can see, it's very nice architecture. Now we are very tired. After all the day we still have jet lag, so we are going to hotel room. We will sleep very early because tomorrow we have something special on the plan. We have on the plan to visit Similan Island, so we have to wake up like 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock, because they will pick up us at 6 o'clock. So tomorrow or after tomorrow, it depends on the internet, we will see our vlog from Similan Island, so stay tuned.